In this video, I'll be showing you how to join the Plants vs. Brainrots Discord server. Start by going to the site and click on the Add a Server button. A new window will open. Click on the Join a Server button, then select the Invite link box and type in Plants vs. Brainrots with no spaces. Make sure to spell it exactly how I have. Click the Join Server button. Alternatively, you can select the Plants vs. Brainrots game in the Roblox app, then scroll down and click on the Discord button. If you're trying to join on mobile, then you'll need to swipe up on the information window that appears at the bottom. Then tap on the Discord button. Make sure you're joining the correct server. There should be a lot of members, then click the Accept button. Choose what Discord notifications you'll like to receive, then click Next or Skip if you didn't select any. Select what stock notifications you want to receive. These will tell you when specific items are in the shop so you don't miss out. Click the Finish button when done. You can adjust your notification settings by selecting channels and roles, then customize. You can then select or deselect the options as you like. You will now be in the Plants vs. Brainrots Discord server. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.